This is Gingerine here, along with special guest star Callie. We will say hello now? Or not? No, he's not saying hello. Never mind, I don't have a special guest star.
Hello! I love doing that.
Yes, you're very cute. So welcome back to Slime Rancher. Now, like I said in the last episode, I want to get the overgrowth today. That's what I want. I want to get the overgrowth. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of do basic farming. I'm going to feed these guys and get their poop. And then get their poop and then spend it over, cash it in over here, and then as soon as I'm able to get the overgrowth, I will be back. So, anyway, here we go. Alright. And here we go. Alright, this should be it, guys. This should be the last of it. We should have enough money to buy the overgrowth. Here we go!
Yep. Why? Why do you keep acting creepy?
I don't know.
Why?
Why? Okay, the overgrowth! Purchase! Alright!
And now you have unlimited chicken.
Let me give you the tour! You go through here. And then
we have rocks and we have an edge that we like to jump off of and die, apparently.
I don't do that. I don't know what you're talking about. Chickens!
And these are the
chickens!
And they're actually just things in a costume, pogo fruit rolling around.
Chickens!
They're not chickens.
I think my favorite part of this game, honestly, is going through this grass and trying to find all of the hidden chickens. Because
they're not chickens, Mom.
They're hens.
They're not hens either. They're pogo fruit.
Okay, there's also pogo fruit.
No, everything is pogo fruit except the carrots.
Okay, whatever. Oh! They get upset. They're like, oh no! I want to live! And I'm like, I don't care, come with me. And they spawn! They just spawn in! Look at all the chickens!
You can't hold anything else!
Oh, this is wonderful!
Why are you laughing?
Because I love it. It makes me so happy.
Why are you happy?
Because I don't have to go searching for food anymore? Why can't you just let me be happy? Why you gotta crush me? Why you gotta bring me down? You can't bring me down?
Because you're not happy.
I am happy.
Don't get a
Why not?
I don't know.
You built a garden. Yes, I did. And I want to grow pogos.
What?
I don't have...
Did you see how fast it grew?
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's pretty fast. Pretty fast. Okay, let's go feed.
That wasn't even...
So now that we have way more food than we need, we can start getting more slimes! Alright, let's feed these guys again, because they're always hungry. Oh wow, they've got food in there still. I don't care! No!
I got one missing and one in there.
Alright, so let's get some, you know what we should do?
What?
We should get another 20 chickens and another 20 pogo fruit and carrots, and we should go feed that big old pink guy. Should we do that?
Yeah!
Yeah, we should do that. Let me check and see. No? None? Okay. Alright, so let's go in here. This is the right way. Yay! Okay.
And also, spoiler alert.
No spoilers. No spoilers.
But I want to spoil
No, I'm
it.
telling you not to spoil.
I'm spoiling
I am ordering you. Ordering you.
I'm not spoiling it for you.
Yeah, but don't just stop. No spoilers.
I need to.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
We had to discuss spoilers. Can I go over here?
Yes. It's where you get the pond and the infinite water over the sea, but I don't think it's a safe place for you.
The water? Shit. Oh, okay, but it's something else I have to buy. Okay.
Yeah, but it's cheap.
I should look into it. 5,000?
Never mind, it's not cheap.
Deep down in the great blue sea, I saw 1,000 slimes smiling back at me. Okay. No, don't need that. Alright. I'm gonna go get those chickens. Hen hens! Hen hens! No.
Hen! Ooh, go over there.
Oh, there isn't over there. Hold on, I'm getting hen hens, so you're just gonna have to excuse me. Oh, there's more. There's always more. There's always more. Every time I turn around, there's more hen hens.
Then how about you turn around?
I did turn around. Okay, I can go up through here?
Yeah.
I've never been up here before. Oh god, be careful. Don't die.
Die.
Oh, water. Pretty. Cool.
Skeletons.
Skeletons? Oh, there's a different Fatto. Cat. Big cat. Tabby Fatto. Anyway. That'll have to
They're
feed...
called Gordos.
Gordos.
Yes.
Gordos.
They're pronouncing it.
I just didn't remember what they were called. I obviously wasn't not pronouncing it right. I wasn't saying the right word. I didn't start off right.
You were saying the right word.
Gardos? I was?
Yes. You
Well,
said
I
Gordos.
wasn't, but that's not the right word. I didn't know what I was saying. Anyway, we don't have to talk about it anymore. Gordos. Thank you. Okay. Alright.
Hello.
Okay, I don't know if this is enough. We're gonna go try and feed that Gordo, the pink Gordo. I'm wondering, should we collect? Oh, there's still hen hens in here. I'm trying to get the hen hens.
You're going to feed. You should feed
I'm trying to get some hen hens.
How about some bobo fruits?
Yeah, I'll take whatever I can get. These things are terrible, obnoxious. Ah!
What they do? We'll grab it.
I'm setting free. No, I don't want to set you free because then you'll just go eat stuff. Whoa, whatever! Did I just let go? Ah! What?
Can't carry any more chickens.
I can't.
Why does he want to go in there?
I don't know. Anyway.
It might be the fruits and veggies.
Oh, wait. Where? This way.
Yeah.
This way.
Yeah.
Oh, the phosphors. They're so pretty. So how do I get to the pink Gordo? Do I jump over here?
No.
No. Okay.
Gee.
Gusto!
Can't pick it. Okay.
I can get some more pogo fruit too.
Right there. And
Oh, okay. This way. Can I just... Nope, not yet. Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Alright.
now you have no way up.
And no way back. Okay. 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 Oh, he's so cute with a smiley smile! Okay, you ready? We start with the pogos. Okay. Wow, he's grown. He's gotten bigger. Here, let's see. Can I...
When he's shaking, he's almost done.
Okay. Oh, he is!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Stop firing food at him! Now you get a slime key.
Oh, I got a key?
Yes, for one of the doors.
Roy! Ha! Now I've got all these boxes I can come back for. Well, this is pretty.
Throw away the slimes.
I'm not gonna throw them into the ocean. They'll
Well, you
die.
Throw yourself.
Oh, I'm not gonna throw myself
There's
either.
no way out.
There is a way out. There's a way out. Okay.
You didn't even have to jump for that. How about you just throw them into the ocean? I'm not fucking with the slimes.
Huh?
I'm not talking about the slimes.
Throwing the slimes in the ocean?
No! Throw the tar!
I know, but I tried that and then I died, so I don't want to.
Because you didn't press the other... Because you didn't...
Because I couldn't see where I was going. Just stop it. Leave me alone.
I know how to do this.
I know. I don't care. Leave me alone. Alright. Goodbye, chickens. It feels so weird. He will miss you.
Not really.
Alright, so we need to sell some more plorts so we can build some more pens and start getting different kinds. Like, should we have rocks?
No.
No?
You can get a really, like, a radioactive.
I can?
Yeah. Because you have a slime key.
Oh yeah! We could go do that too.
And there, you can find a rock. Gordo.
Really? Oh, we also can see that kitty Gordo. Should we go feed it some hens? I wasn't even thinking about it. I just myrtleized a slime. Oh. Oh no. I am unhappy about that. You are less than unhappy. You are delighted. You're a monster.
No,
You're so mean.
No, I'm laughing on how you just... Okay, let me throw the slime into the ocean. Bye-bye.
I didn't mean to, but whatever. Gosh. That was bad. That's bad. I don't even know. Okay, so this is for my gun, right?
Yeah.
I want to, jetpack. I want a jetpack. Yes, jetpack. Yes. Cool.
You should get a pulse wave because all those tabbies. Did you just see?
I should get an auto feeder for them too.
Yeah. I suggest.
Alright, I'm gonna go to bed so that when I wake up, all those plorts will be gone.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Oh, we have more mail! Okay, let's read the mail and then we can then we can end this episode and go on to the next one.
Bob, hello!
Hello, Bob. Hello? Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. Chicken. Hello, Bob. Yes, chicken. Okay. Sure.
He loves chickens.
But who is this? Is Bob?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Miss LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to extend a very special offer to you. An invitation to the very exclusive, exceptionally choice, highly sought after 7Z Rewards Club. The 7Z Rewards Club allows you to earn ultra premium ranks within an exclusive club for only a semi-ultra premium price. It's just that easy. Earn rank grants. Each rank grants you a new club title along with unique rewards such as beautiful upgrades for your ranch, exclusive customization options, and more. We look forward to your enrollment. The 7Z Corporation offering you a path to greatness, one large sum of new bucks at a time. Casey. Oh, and I made him really Southern last time, but I think I'm not going to do that this time. I think we'll just...
Hey, Millie!
Yep, there's Millie again. Hey, Bee. I bought a cactus from you. Sort of. When I came back home, it was one of the only things you left in your shop. Was a lonely little guy, so I decided to adopt it. I kill every plant I touch, but I promise you, this one will last. I mean, if I can't keep a cactus alive, then clearly something is really wrong. When I look at it, I think of you out there on the range doing your thing. Hope you're okay. Sleep till morning. Oh, I can get into the rewards club. Current rank, none. Initiate rewards. 7. No, I don't. No. Sleep until morning. Hey, maybe Millie's okay over there all by herself. And doesn't need to be beckoned right now. Oh, it's okay.
Excuse me.
Woo! Oh, they still haven't eaten all of those chickens. Chickens! Happy slimes! Now that we have so many chickens, we could probably get some phosphor tabbies. That'd be pretty. What did I say I wanted to do? Oh, hey, let's go to that cave thing that you've been trying to get me to go to, and then we'll end this episode here. Okay? Cool. Alright, where is it though? How do I...
It's next to your tabbies.
No, the cave thing you've been trying to get me to go to. Nope, I don't need any hen-hens.
Well, you don't need to go in that cave.
I want to see what it is. Okay, so go down here. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, now where do I jump over? And don't lie to me.
I don't know. Not that way.
This
No,
one?
yeah.
Okay.
Now go
Oh,
that
okay, here it is.
And trust me when I say you turned around.
You know I was doing that on purpose.
No.
Yeah, I was doing that on purpose.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm a brat.
You wanted to kill yourself.
No, I didn't. Okay.
That's a little hard to believe.
You believe what you want. So what's over here? Sorry, I just couldn't walk by that many hen-huns. Oh! What's...
How about you jump down?
Really?
Yeah.
I want to see what's up here.
Nah.
Oh!
They dropped right back to where you started.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
You don't take fall damage, Mom.
I know. Okay. Wait, weren't we just in this cave? Yeah.
Yes.
This is the cave we were in. Meow! 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 Pay attention to me! To me!
Or else.
Well, anyway, oh God!
Then you just restarted.
Carrots.
You choose to restart or continue.
Anyway, I think that's more than enough for this episode. We'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.